Hi, I'm Brian with SETZER'S RV, and today I'd like to show you a 2023 Salem Platinum 26 RBS by Forest River. We'll start on the front. It comes with a power tongue jack. Very simple to use, light switch on the top. In case of power failure, there is a manual crank, or just in case. Behind the jack we have two propane tanks. Now, these propane tanks hold 4.5 gallons each. I just recommend opening one tank at a time. And then behind the propane we have a deep cycle marine battery installed. It does have a disconnect switch right on the very front of the camper. Here beside the tongue, I do have a starter kit set up. It'll come with a water hose, water pressure regulator. This is a 30 to 15 amp adapter and a sewer hose. On around the side, we got the pass-through cargo. And then underneath, we do have 4 corner stabilizing jacks. It'll come with a manual crank for the jacks as well. Alright, just one thing to know about the stabilizing jacks, always level the camper before you put the jack feet down, and don't lift the camper with the jacks. Here we got the entrance door. Steps fold up inside the door. Just make sure that you adjust the legs with these paddles, so that the plate here goes all the way down on the sill of the frame, door frame. Beside it, we have an outdoor kitchen. Come with a mini fridge. This is 125 only. Camper has to be plugged into electric for this to come on. Grills underneath. You'll just pull it out. We'll have a gas line to connect. Simply connect that to the back of the grill, and underneath where the steps are is another quick connect with a valve. And is lit. These grills are nice. Looks like beside the outdoor kitchen, this valve at the top is a fresh water connection. This is how you're going to fill a fresh holding tank. Just be careful not to overfill the tank. And when you are done, you'll need to drain that tank. That drain is right here behind the axles, white gate valve. Beside it, we have an outdoor spigot or spray port. It'll come with a coiled water hose, very easy to install, just like that. Disconnect when you're done. Just remember it's cold water only. Next is the furnace. This is the exhaust for the furnace. It will blow hot. As you see, a couple of speakers outside. This is an outlet for a TV. And then of course some power outlets. And then further down we have a hot water tank. This hot water tank is gonna run on either gas or electric, either or. For electric, we have a switch at the bottom left corner. Turning that switch on will turn the electric on only. Switch for the gas is inside on the monitor panel. Moving on around the back, see a spare tire. The back is prepped with a Furion base for a backup camera, which is sold separately. It also has the Lippert on the go ladder mount already installed. We got an outside shower on the back wall. Next to the outside shower, we have a city water connection, which is on the left. So this is for city water connection. The one on the right is to clean the sensors off in the black tank. And then of course, cable or satellite inlets is also right here next to the water connection. On around the other side, we have a shore cord detachable plug. This cord will be about 25 feet in length. It is a 30 amp cord. And then we have a dump station. This dump station actually has 3 tanks. This is a gray number 1. There's a gray number 2 further back. And then the one on the opposite side is the black tank. Generally, using your dump station, when your tanks are full and you need to dump them, you'll hook your sewer hose up. You'll want to pull and dump your black tank first. Wait until it's done, close it back, then open the grays to clean out that sewer hose. And always put your cap back on when you're done. Next, we have 2 water line drains tucked up underneath where the dump station is. One's a hot line, one's a cold line. These are going to be for flushing and cleaning and draining the water lines only. Moving on down. We got the other side of the cargo. And if you look right up into the very front of it, on this side, you'll see a solar charge controller. All right. As far as inspections, I recommend to have your wheel bearings inspected at least once a year or every 12,000 miles. And then we also want to make sure that you inspect your battery once a year. And we want to at least recommend to have your roof inspected twice a year. So let's go up on the roof and I'll show you how to do that. So up on the roof, I just want to show you everything that's up here. We got a solar panel, air conditioner, a few plumbing vents, skylight, exhaust vents. And we have a lap seal across the very back of the camper and across the very front of the camper. This lap seal, all the lap seal up here is what you need to have cleaned and resealed a minimum of twice a year. So now I'd like to show you the awning before we go inside. So I'll just come right inside the entrance door. Press down, which is out for the awning. You got to remember not to overextend it. And if you need to bring the shade down, or if it starts raining, you need to pitch the awning, just pull down on this bottom bar. Do that to both arms to fully pitch it. I do recommend putting it back up before you put the awning away. When you go to put it away, just hold the switch until you see the awning arms and the awning stop completely. Alright, next we'll go ahead and put the slide out. It's going to be another switch right beside the awning switch. Be sure to put the slide all the way out or all the way in when you're done camping. Don't leave it halfway out. All right. Also, before you bring the slide back in when you're done camping, you always want to check the slide roof for any debris, sticks, leaves, anything gets caught between the D-seal and fascia could cause leak. Also, when the slide is inside the camper, don't walk on the floor, sit on the couch, or store heavy cargo like cases of water and pop on it when it's inside the camper. When it's all the way out, everybody can sit down, no problem. So, next, same panel with the switches for the slide and the awning. At the very top, we have the monitor panel. So, fresh holding says it has 2/3. Black, gray, and galley are all empty. As long as we have water in the fresh, we can use the water pump. Water pump is only for the fresh. Water heater, this is the switch for the water heater on gas only. This light up here at the top is going to let you know if your hot water tank is lit or not on gas. Ceiling light switch. This here's got a really nice TV mount. You can mount it. It's got a good mount. Closet behind it. Sound bar underneath. Fireplace underneath the sound bar. Alright. Okay. It's coming on around. We do have the stove. Always lift the glass up. This stove has an igniter knob. It's going to turn clockwise only. We have a Furrion refrigerator. This is a 12-volt refrigerator. You do have an on and off switch. You can turn this all the way to off to turn it off. Underneath the refrigerator is your power box. It's going to hold your 120 breakers and your DC fuses. Main breaker at the very top. Here we have a thermostat for the air conditioner. This is also going to be for the furnace as well. And then down lower on the same wall we have a propane and carbon monoxide alarm. And then the rear bathroom. We do have an exhaust vent, and the switch for the fan is up in the vent. We also have a main GFCI reset for the outlets. It's on the outlet in the bathroom. Smoke alarm in the ceiling. And then into the master bed. Access the front cargo underneath the bed. Okay. Alright, well this is going to conclude my walkthrough on this 2023 Salem Platinum 26 RBS. Thank you.